Where are we, Emma? The car wash. Hey, Campbell. Super clean. We're at the super clean car wash today. Big long one. What are you wearing, Emma? It's pretty formal. It's just a car wash. Putting on something lacy just for a quick run to the car wash. Still very cute. Camel appreciates it. Here comes the rinse. Us. Now it's time for cooking. Come on, give me that green light. I'm ready. Go! We did it. Woo! Bye, everyone. One last look at Campbell. Did you have fun, Campbell? And that's it.